It was a cold night in Finland at -24 degrees, well below average, and it's set to get colder across many northern and central parts of Europe. The cold air floods south towards the Alps, down into the Balkans as well. We're set for a cold run up to Christmas here. In contrast, here in the British Isles, after a cold snap this weekend, things are set to get milder. See how we lose the green arrows and we pick up the milder orange winds over the next couple of days. Some strong winds as well. However, those mild winds are also bringing us some rain. Yes, the rain is returning. You can see how the cloud's been spilling its way northwards across western areas through the morning. And I think it will be western areas where we see the heaviest of the rain. Even by tomorrow, that weather system very slow moving. It's hardly moved across the British Isles. Now, the rain has been spreading in through the morning across Northern Ireland, the southwest of England, through Wales. It's now making its way in towards the West Midlands, northwest England and southwest Scotland, and ahead of it we have a lot of cloud to contend with as well. So it may be dry, but it's going to be a rather cloudy day for most of us. The problem is that our weather front will be slow moving across western parts of Scotland, western England and Wales for the next 36 hours, with further pulses of heavy rain moving their way northwards. So not only some difficult driving conditions to contend with the wind and the rain, but with western areas possibly seeing another inch of rain through today, tonight and into tomorrow, there is a renewed risk of flooding. So for the rest of the afternoon, the heaviest rain will continue its northwards progress into southwest Scotland and northwest England, drying up a little bit further south, but it'll stay quite damp and dreary for many. Fog is shrouding the hills. It really is quite murky out and about. And even further east where it remains drier, it's still pretty cold here. We're not feeling the effects of that milder wind just of yet. Only 4 in the Vale of York, much milder further west. And that's the theme for tonight really, mild and windy, with further pulses of rain running up through Wales into Scotland and across many parts of northern England, which means it should be frost-free for most of us. A very familiar picture then tomorrow, very similar to today. We may see some drier weather getting in across parts of Northern Ireland and western Scotland, but for most it will be cloudy, still quite breezy and quite wet as well. Another hope of some brighter weather, I think, East Anglia and the southeast. But I think by the time we get through to Thursday, that rain will start to nudge its way northwards, becoming confined to the far north by Friday, but we will be left with a lot of cloud further south. Good afternoon.